Hello and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian and I am the luckiest man in the world because I work with amazing people every single day. I have the chance to work with Coach Alex, the founder of our philosophy, and Coach Natalie, the amazing Coach Natalie that you know, and the two latest additions to our team, Coach Steven and Coach Samira, who are so hungry to help, to provide you with the support that you need in these challenging times to help you turn things around and be in a happy, sustainable relationship with the person you love. What we do at Love Advice TV is to give you daily videos on how to be in healthy relationships and how to be with the person that you love. And quite often, we take questions from the comment section of our videos and address those questions in videos to help everyone around the world have perspective and insights into how to make things right with the one they love. And the comment that I want to address today is how to make my wife love me again. A lot of men out there who follow Love Advice TV have been a little bit angry, saying that we focus too much on helping women turn things around. And of course, nothing could be further from the truth. We have hundreds of videos dedicated specifically for men trying to get back with women. And so please do the research before you criticize. Check out the amazing database and content. We have over 500 videos. We have videos that address your needs. But I wanted to do another video on how to make your wife love you again. And I love working with married couples. I love working with couples that have children because there's even more at stake quite often. And what I want to do is to help you figure things out, understand why your wife doesn't love you, and give you the tools to make her love you again. And I know that you care. I know that you are motivated to save your marriage. And I am blessed to say that I work with amazing men who are able to turn things around day in, day out. So how do you go about making your wife love you again? Well, number one, you need to make sure that you understand what went wrong. Not just what your ex-wife told you, but you need to be able to read between the lines, okay? Because if you don't know what went wrong, you won't be able to make things right. And in private coaching sessions, this is always the first step. This is where we begin. And once you've understood what went wrong, we then need to be able to put certain actions into place to make things right. And not with your ex-wife, but with yourself, first and foremost. You need to understand the virtues, the patterns that need to be acquired in order to be that man that they always wanted you to be. And it's not about proving to them that you've changed. It's about really changing first and foremost. And I see a lot of people in coaching sessions that jump from step 1 to step 3, analyzing what went wrong, proving change, and not focusing on actually changing. And what I tell people every day in coaching sessions is that the hard part is not to prove to someone that you've changed. The hard aspect of this element of breakup recovery, the most challenging aspect of it anyways, is to actually evolve. And not just understand what went wrong, but actually evolve. And so once you've actually, day in, day out, work on building new patterns, then the third step is about rebuilding a communication platform to showcase that change. And a lot of you jump step 1 and 2 to go straight into showcasing change that doesn't exist yet, okay? A lot of men do that because you're still in desperation to try to make things right. And of course, you hit a wall, your wife gets even more frustrated, even more bitter, and even more distant, and you push them away. So there's a specific process that we follow that you should follow too. And this is where the fun part begins because you have leveled the balance of power and you're now able to attract your ex. It's as if you were dating your wife for the first time again. And this is where my clients and I really have fun with it because they are empowered, they don't need me as much, and it's just top level strategy, and they're able to, feel like young adults or to feel that passion and that intimacy yet again. And it can happen for you too, as long as you approach the process the right way. And that's the point of this video. If you want your ex-wife to fall in love with you again, please, 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 please take your time and don't try to force things. I've been working with a couple of gentlemen in particular that comes to mind that are so stubborn, so caught up in trying to make things right away that they're not letting the organic process of growth happen. And it doesn't mean that they're not going to be successful in particular. I don't want to bash them. Just using it as an example to encourage you to be patient and to do things right. So this is relevant for, men looking to get their ex-wives back, but it's also relevant for a lot of people and their breakup recoveries. And I encourage you to always try to at least find one nugget that can apply to your breakup recovery in any one of our videos, because it's advice that actually works. It's advice that has been tried and tested in coaching sessions with real life people fighting real life issues. And so we know that it can work for you too. And so I encourage you to use your brain and your heart and to fight with all your might to make things right by approaching the process the right way. As always, this was my pleasure. Please like my video, fuel my fire, and hopefully we will connect again soon on Love Advice TV for yet another video. Keep fighting the good fight, and all the best.